Hello and welcome to TopUp and Get Reward Training Center. I want to congratulate you for making the decision to be a part of this telecoms revolution. So in this video, I'm just going to walk you through how to set up your membership account and how to get started with TGR. So let's go. Perhaps you were given a registration link by someone who referred you. Just click on that registration link, or maybe you're coming directly by yourself. Once you land on our homepage on the website, this is what you would see on the homepage. So all you have to do is just click on register, the register button to the top right corner of the website. Once you click that, it takes you to the next page. So this is what you would see on the next page. There are basically 4 steps in this registration process. The first step is to fill out your profile. As you can see on my screen, this is the referral ID of the person who invited you to Top Up and Get Reward. If, like I said the other time, if you were given a registration link from the person, the profile, the user ID would already be inserted into the spot, so you won't have to enter it by yourself. But if the spot is empty, then you may need to ask the person to give you his or her referral ID to put into the spot. Then the next thing you have to do is fill out your own profile, your first name. In this case, I'm just using a dummy name, James. Let's assume James is your first name. So you enter James, then your surname or your last name will be at this other spot. In this case, I'm using Chris. Then your email address, you slot in your email address here, and your phone number. So these are all the information you need to fill out on this first stage, your profile. The first referral ID, your first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, and you click on the button, the green button, to take you to the next step. In the next step, you have to now fill out your own username. This is your username for this particular account that you're opening on TGR. It could be a combination of your first and last name, or maybe your nickname. This is your username, and that is the name that will be attached to your account. Then you create your password. This password is known to you alone, okay? And then you type it again, the password, just to confirm that you have the same thing in your password and this other box. Once you created your password, you click on the next button again, takes you to the next step, and this is where you enter your bank details. Now, for every transaction, for every withdrawal you'll be making, this your earnings will be going into your bank account. So you need to supply your bank details here. You select the bank you use, the name of your bank, which could be your own name, and your account number. Make sure these details are correct so that your withdrawal will be sent successfully into your bank. Okay, so the next step is click on this green button and it takes you to the next page, and that's the last step of this registration. So there are basically 4 steps: your profile, your information, your username, your bank details, and then you click on submit. That's simple. This registration is free. You don't have to pay anything. Registration is completely free. So once you're done with these 4 steps, just click on the submit button right here, and then you get a message that your registration was successful. Welcome on board. So let's move on. Once that is done, once your registration is successful, just go back to the home page, okay, the home page of this website, and then you click on the login. So you can now log in with the email address you used in registering and the password you used in registering. Put in the email address and the password, then just click on this blue button, login, and it will take you straight to your dashboard. That's it. You're welcome on board. So this is what your dashboard looks like. You have a blue dashboard, a red dashboard, and a black dashboard. So the next thing we want to do again here is click on this menu on the top left, your dashboard menu. Then it will show you some other options to your left side. So these are the menu options on your dashboard. Please make sure you go through the information part. Click on the information and read through everything on the information. Most of the things you need to know about TGR are already supplied in that information tab. It's like the news sections, okay? So take your time to read through everything. Thank you very much for going through this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.